Africa Content TV.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Fathers, we want to thank you very much indeed for giving us the opportunity to pay you this visit. We also want to thank your chiefs for also receiving us together with you. Fathers, this is a very short visit. Let me assure you that the PDP government will bring a lot of reforms to ensure that the relevance of the traditional institution is made more pronounced in our society. Particularly now, when we have so much security challenges, which we believe our traditional institutions should be some of the institutions that we can use to leverage attaining peace. Because I remember the role of the traditional institutions during the colonial times when they were responsible to a very large extent for maintaining law and order in their respective units. Obviously, I want to assure you that the PDP government will look into all these institutions so that we can together bring about a safer, more united country. Having said that, we have also proposed under the incoming administration to implement restructuring of the country. We will dialogue with the various constituents of the country so that we can give them more autonomy and resources since they are closer to the people, so that we can witness a more inclusive development in our country. These are some of the policies that we intend to employ when we are giving the authority or when we are giving the support from the US government. Of course, another very, very important subject is also the economy of the country. As you know, the private sector plays a very, very important role in our economy. We intend to open up the economy so that our young men and women can have jobs and careers in respective sectors of the economy, both public and also in the private sector. Obviously, we always take much of our time. We appreciate what has elected us, and we are not taking it for granted. God bless you all. May you reign obviously long and healthy. May you have a robust health so that we are reign and witness development. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'll give you the
Ladies and gentlemen, many of you will be wondering that why the KBC and Dr. Olubadan spoke for some time. KBC was the former Deputy Secretary of PRP. And that is the foundation of Olubadan. So KBC is also a Nepal PRP man. Yes, and there's thank you very much, sir. KBC have not forgotten the slogan of PRP. So this is Aminu Kano disciple. Now you also should know that KBC was in the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So it's not just a traditional ruler, it's a traditional ruler with political experience. So that is why he will know which direction Nigerians are going. And by the grace of God, he is sitting next to the next president. God bless you. Without wasting much of our time, we are going to give the microphone to KBC to give his response and welcome address. Gbogbo ẹja ṣe kábíyèsí o.
On behalf of kábíyèsí, we are going to call on your phone Alobadan for now. Àìsàn tájú ní àdúrà. All the officers of the PDP are welcome. All the elders are welcome. The law officers here are welcome. Above all,